Well, hello again, all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. I haven't even let the other one dry, and I wanted to try one more time on this. This is just plain Floetrol, strained a couple of times to get rid of the lumps. This is a dried painting where I tried to do some dendrites, but couldn't get them to go. And I'm going to do a little experiment with some alcohol inks. Now I don't know if I'll see how it looks when I put the alcohol ink drop down, and if it doesn't start making the little dendrite, then I will add 1 drop of silicone on top of it and then some plain alcohol on top of that. I'm just doing this, if you didn't watch the other video, this is an easy way to spread out. Let me lift it up to get some of it to go that way. To spread out whatever you're putting down as your first coating, which is in this case my Floetrol. And I'm just trying to get, well shoot, I wiped it off, darn it. I'm just trying to get it to all go over the edge because I do not want it to, I need my paper towel roll. This is not fun having paint on my fingers. Okay, here we go. This is the Pinata Calabaza orange. I'm going to put 1 drop down, or try to do 1 drop, because there is some orange in that underpainting, and I don't know if this is going to dry clear or not, but we're going to find out together. And it's spreading out. I am not sure. Let me see what a little drop of silicone does. I'm probably going to mess it up, but hey, it's all an experiment. Okay, now I'm going to do 1 more drop of alcohol on top of that. Just to, nope, not going anywhere. So let me do some alcohol drops on it. And, well, we'll let that one go for now, okay? I got a sneaking feeling, oh, I forgot to put the cap back on that. I got a sneaking feeling that alcohol inks, of course, see, I made sure I had my little rubber circle handy because of these things being a pain. Oh, what is that on top of there? Oh, I bent the little nozzle. Oh well. Okay, let me put a drop and another drop just to be safe. Okay, I don't think alcohol ink by itself is going to do anything. And let me just add just a little bit of alcohol to it, and all that does is really lighten it out. It's not giving me the dendrites I wanted. Oh well, hey, it's an experiment. Okay, I could always, I'm going to try one other thing over here. I will probably have to refer back to this video. Okay, I'm going to put 2 drops of silicone right there. Then I'm going to put some alcohol ink on top of that just to see if the two spread out. Okay, not spreading out, so now let me add, well, now it's starting to spread. Not dendrites. I'm getting blobs, so it doesn't look like alcohol ink is the way to go. So I do have handy just to try it. I do have, let's see, what color do I want to do? No, that's iridescent. I don't want iridescent. No, that's metallic green. Oh, okay, come on, guys. Sorry, I'm having a very, very hard time. Okay, I cannot find a dropper bottle, so I don't know if this is open or not. Oh, of course. I'm just going to try 1 drop of the Bombay ink with the silicone and the alcohol on here. And I can see it already. First I got to get rid of the paper. Didn't even know the paper was on there. Okay, so I'm pouring a little bit in here. That's more than a little bit, but then I'm gonna mix some alcohol with it. I have no idea if this is gonna work, but I think it takes, wait a minute, you gotta be careful reusing the same little end of your stylus. Okay, this one's giving me something. And I don't need any silicone, it looks like. And all I'm doing is just feeding it. I don't know how long it's going to take for it to spread out, but looks like the Bombay ink works good with the alcohol for some little ones. I'm not sure if it's because it's on the Floetrol and not on paint that is why it's not spreading out as fast as I thought it would. Okay, just for the fun of it, I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to put some ink down, some Bombay ink with the alcohol that's mixed in it. It's not going anywhere, so 2, okay, 1. Okay, not doing what I thought it would do. Oh well. I mean, just try feed. See, when I say feeding, I'm dipping the stylus into more ink, and then touching it, and that's feeding more ink onto that. And I'm trying not to get any of the Floetrol on the little stylus ball tip and transfer it back into the ink well. Okay, well, I did get some over here, and I don't know what that means, and I got one little tree right there. Let me try drawing some of this out just to see. I don't know if that will, oops, wait a minute, what am I doing? Gotta clean off the tip. I got green on it, so hopefully I don't get any green in this orange. I can already see that the Floetrol's drying up a little bit. So, nothing I can do about that. I did get, right here, I got some little dendrites. And I got one right there. And I got some little tiny ones around that. So, here's another experiment that didn't really work all that well. So, the last part of it will be letting it dry overnight. And oh shoot, I got some paper in there. Oh, that was the paper from the lid of the India ink bottle I just opened. Okay, well, I will be showing these in a future video when they're dried, so let me bring it up for a close-up, and we'll call this experiment, the experiment part, done. Remember, this is only Floetrol, and you saw everything but the turquoise is alcohol ink with some alcohol, which didn't work. And this is the India ink with some alcohol. So I'm going to call these little guys not done. They're going to dry. So I will show you that in a future video. So I want to thank you all for watching. I love the fluid arts right out of you. I really do. I appreciate all my subscribers. Y'all are the best in the world. And all I can say is, you know, hope to see you in the next video, and bye for now.